Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to book TB screening appointment in Luxembourg country. That one is very important if you are coming in Luxembourg for the student or work permit. If you are coming for third country, so this video is very important. I am providing you how to book TB screening appointment as soon as possible. Without this screening, you can't receive your residence permit. So how to do it? Let's start as a detailed demonstration. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here new tab and just put it this particular link. I already put it this link in same video description. So look at this here. Languages options also available: French, Dutch and English. Go through the English. Here TB online booking options are available. Appointment are mandatory. It's very important for the two point of view. The appointment is this: policy, army, the professors, works, medicine and school, and second one is the residence permit. Always everyone are booked for the residence permit. As well as you can see here, only one person per appointment family. Please check, many appointment is not necessary around 10 minutes before you arriving. So if you have facing some problem to booking the appointment, so you can call this number or write an email. So we click here simply as a appointment point of view. So here three different locations are available. So which location you want select. So this middle location, if you are coming or leaving on Luxembourg city, so this location is very near from the central, so you can select this one. Because of I select this one, and here look at this, today is the 15th of April and now this month is not available appointment, next month also not available, and then June 10th some appointment are available. If you are coming on Luxembourg, so 1 month before you can book this appointment, because of this letter is very important for the residence point of view. So you just simply select here. I already booked the appointment of 6th May because of last 1st of April I came here. That time I searched, so I found out the 6th of May, but still 1 month later I received this appointment. So we can click here as a 10th of June. As a morning and afternoon sessions are available, so which time slot preferable you can select, but I select here afternoon and see the availability. So exactly location, this particular location, here date and schedule. So here some time slots are available, like 2:45, 3 o'clock, 3:50. so which times is suitable, so just simply select here 3 o'clock, and here simply put it this particular link, like your last name, first name, your address in Luxembourg, properly address if you are living in Luxembourg, so you can put it here Luxembourg address and confirm the appointment. And then after they are sending you email, if you are not receiving the email, so you can call this particular number and confirm them they are really receive your appointment or not. Most of time, because of I am not receiving email after fill out this application, so I call this particular number, then they are sending me this confirmation email on my email. So this is a simple process to book TB screening appointment in Luxembourg city after arriving here. So this test is very important for you. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.